analysis is a popular technique that allow you to do just that. It helps you develop a point of view on a particular stock or index and helps you define the trade keeping in mind the entry, exit and risk perspective. Like all research techniques, technical analysis also comes with its own attributes, some of which can be highly complex. However, technology makes it easy to understand. We will discover these attributes as we proceed along with this module. Technical analysis is a research techniques to identify trading opportunities in the market based on market participants' actions. The actions of market participants can be visualized utilizing a stock chart. Over time, patterns are formed within these charts and each patterns convey a certain message. Now, let's take a look at a chart. You can see several indicators which I have applied on a chart. Ichimoku indicator to get the idea of upcoming trend, volume indicator at the bottom to get the intensity of buying or selling, EMA crossover to know the immediate trend in the instrument. And like this, you can use several indicators in technical analysis. The job of a technical analyst is to identify these patterns and develop a point of view. Like any research technique, technical analysis stands on a bunch of assumptions. As a technical analysis practitioner, you need to trade the markets keeping these assumptions in perspective. Of course, we will understand these assumptions in detail as we proceed along. Also, at this point, it makes sense to throw some light on a matter concerning FA and TA. Often, people get into an argument contending a particular research technique is a better approach to the market. However, in reality, there is no such thing as the best research approach. Every research method has its own merit and demerits. It would be futile to compare TA and FA to figure out which is the better approach. Next, some important point to note on this: both techniques are different and not comparable. In fact, a prudent trader would spend time educating himself or both on the techniques to identify great trading or investing opportunities. Often market participants approach technical analysis as a quick and easy way to make a windfall gain in the market. On the contrary, technical analysis is anything but quick and easy. Yes, if done right, a windfall gain is possible, but to get at that stage, one must put in his required efforts to learn the technique. Suppose if you approach TA as a quick and easy way to make money in markets, trading catastrophe is bound to happen. When a trading debacle happens, more often than not, the blame is on technical analysis and not on the trader's inability to efficiently apply technical analysis to markets. Hence, before you start delving deeper into technical analysis, it is important to set expectations on what can and cannot be achieved with technical analysis. Next, applications of technical analysis. There are some applications of technical analysis are trades, return per trade, holding period, and risk. Let me discuss in detail. First, trade. Trade is the TA is the best used to identify short-term trades. Do not use do not use TA to identify long-term investment opportunities. Long-term investment opportunities are best identified using fundamental analysis. Also, if you are a fundamental analyst, sorry, also if you are a fundamental analyst, use TA to calibrate the entry and exit point. Next, Return per trade. TA based trades are usually short term in nature. Do not expect huge returns within a short duration of a time. The trick with TA being successful is to identify frequent short term trading opportunities that can give you a small but consistent profits. Next, holding period. Trades based on technical analysis can last anywhere between few minutes and few weeks, and usually not beyond that. We will explore this aspect when we discuss the topic of time frames. Next, risk. Often traders initiate a trade for a certain reason. However, in case of an adverse movement in the stock, the trade starts making a loss. Usually, in such situations, traders hold on to their loss making trade with the hope that they can recover the loss. Remember, TA based trades are short term in case the trade goes sour. Do remember to cut the losses and move on to identify another opportunity. Next, applications on the assets types. First, equities, commodities, foreign exchange, and fixed income. Let us discuss in detail equities. One of the greatest versatile features of technical analysis is the fact you can apply technical analysis on any assets class as long as the assets type has historical time series data. Time series data in technical analysis context is the price variable information, namely open, high, low, close, volume, etc. Here then analogy that may help, which think about learning how to drive a car. Once you learn how to drive a car, you can literally drive any car. Likewise, you only need to learn a technical analysis once, and once you do so, you can apply technical analysis concept on any assets class, equities, commodities, foreign exchange, fixed income, etc. This is probably one of the biggest advantages of a technical analysis compared to the other fields of study. For example, one has to study the profit and loss, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. But when it comes to fundamental analysis of equity, so, however, fundamental analysis of commodities is completely different. If you are dealing with an agriculture commodity like coffee or a pepper, then the fundamental analysis include analyzing rainfall, harvest, demand, supply, inventory, etc. However, the fundamentals of metal commodities are different. So, it is for energy commodities. So, every time you choose a commodity, the fundamentals change. Anyhow, the concept of technical analysis will remain the same irrespective of the assets you are studying. For example, an indicator such as moving average convergence divergence, that is MACD, or relative strength index, that is RSI, is used the same way on equity, commodity, or currency. Next, assumption in technical analysis. Unlike fundamental analysis, technical analy- technical analysts don't care whether a stock is undervalued or overvalued. In fact, the only thing that matters is the stock past trading data, price or volume, and what information this data can provide about the future movement in the security. Technical analysis is based on a few key assumptions. One needs to be aware of these assumptions to ensure the best result. Market discount everything. Price moves in trend. History tends to repeat itself. First, let us discuss in detail the market discount everything. The assumption tells us that all known and unknown information in the public domain is reflected in the latest stock price. For example, There could be an insider buying and company stock in large quantity in anticipation of a good quarterly earnings announcement. While he does this secretively, the price reacts to his actions, revealing to technical analysts that this could be a good buy. So, the how is more important than why. This is the extension to the first assumption. Going with the same example, as discussed above, the technical analyst would not be interested in questioning why the insider bought the stock as long as he knows how the price reacted to the insider's action. Price moves in trend, sorry, price moves in trend. All major moves in the market is an outcome of a trend. So, the concept of a trend is the foundation of technical analysis. For example, the recent upward movement in the Dow Jones Index to 30,000 from 19,000 did not happen overnight. This move happened in a phased manner in over 8 months. Another way to look at this that once the trend is established, the price moves in the trend direction. History tends to repeat itself. In the technical analysis context, the price trend tends to repeat itself. This happens because the market participants consistently react to price movements remarkably similar way. Every time the price moves in a certain direction, for example, in up sorry, for example, in uptrending markets, market participants get greedy and want to buy irrespective of the high price. So, likewise, in a downtrend, market participants wants to sell irrespective of the low and unattractive prices. This human reaction ensures that the price history repeats itself. So, that's it for the today, friends. Tomorrow, I will discuss some more aspects about the technical analysis. Hope you have enjoyed the content. Mention your query